Are you tired of confusing platforms, hidden fees, and endless crypto exchange options? Well, in this video, we're going to be breaking down what makes a crypto exchange good and what makes a crypto exchange work for you. Let's just jump straight into the video. The best crypto exchange isn't just about numbers, where we can see something like BitMEX here that has a lot of numbers. It's one of the oldest exchanges out there, but the interface is extremely clunky and it can be quite difficult to use for the average user. Where if we compare this to something like Binance, where they have their own app, they have beautiful dark or light skinned interfaces and a very easy sign up process, you can see why using an exchange like Binance could be a lot more favorable, where they are a slightly newer exchange than BitMEX. And when it comes to the features of this exchange, guys, very, very easy to do exactly what you want. You just go up to the top here and you can find exactly what you want to do, whether it's a P2P trade, whether it is trading on spot or trading on futures. And there's also other options here in which, yes, they're not too in your face with these, but if you did want to get involved with launch protocols or any kind of system that is releasing in a new way, then Binance do offer that very, very easily. And it's not too in your face, it's not too complicated. If you just want to buy some Bitcoin, if you just want to buy some Ethereum, you can do so very easily on the app or very, very easily on the desktop website. When it comes to fees, picking the right exchange is also very, very important, right? Because if you use an exchange like Coinbase, you're actually going to be charged a fee to deposit or withdraw from that exchange. Whereas again, something like Binance here will actually have no deposit fees and no withdrawal fees. And these guys have a very small withdrawal fee, and that's just to cover the blockchain transactions. So before you do pick an exchange, guys, definitely check out their fee structure page, because some of these exchanges can have hidden fees that could really limit your ability to take profit on your investments. For example, on Coinbase, you could actually make a decent amount of money from investing in stuff, but you're going to be paying something like a 5% withdrawal fee just to get that money off the exchange. That's why it's important to use exchanges like KuCoin, like Binance, that have very clear fee structures that you can actually take advantage of to maximize your profit from your crypto investments. When it comes to security, you definitely want to be checking out the security pages and the compliance pages of the exchange that you pick. For example, Binance have this very, very clearly laid out. They have user level security, where they have very good user level security, whether it is a thumbprint on your phone, whether it is two-factor, SMS, or email methods. These guys do it all to actually secure your funds and avoid any kind of compromising of your passwords, any compromising of your account, whether that be a virus on your computer or whether it be another method that these crypto hackers use. So using something like Binance or just checking out the security page on an exchange can be extremely useful when it comes to keeping your money safe on that exchange. And I will just say that, guys, you want to be using one of these top 5 exchanges on CoinMarketCap, because those are going to have the best security. They're going to have the least amount of hacks and the least amount of compromises of their exchange in any form. That is why they're at the top. But always do check their pages, check out to see how they do manage their exchange, how they have their security set up, whether it's with cold wallets and stuff like this. If you are new to crypto, don't worry about that too much. It just means it's a lot safer. And also check out their compliance features. We can see here with Binance that we do have a KYC system implemented. They have anti-money laundering, which is massively important in the Western countries such as the UK or such as the US. And they have a law enforcement request system. If you do feel like your account's been compromised, they can actually help you get that money back, tracking it on the blockchain and reporting that to the correct authorities supporting the area that you are from. Now, these crypto exchanges can be very, very good, but there's always the chance that a hack could take place. There's always the chance that something could go wrong with these exchanges. So it's important to note that if you are looking at an exchange, you should definitely check out how much they have in their insurance fund. An insurance fund is essentially an amount of money that the exchange has put aside from their own profits and from their own back pockets to essentially have their exchange secure in the event of a hack. So if they lose 10 million in a hack, they have that insurance fund, with some of the exchanges having 500 million in this fund, where they can essentially just give the money back to the customer, having no problems when it comes to retaining the user after the hack. But an exchange isn't just about buying Bitcoin or buying Ethereum. You want to be able to access the coins that are new and rising on the market. This way, you're going to get the most profit out of your investment. So definitely check out what they're listing here. You can see here on Binance that they have the new listings coming up here. So if you wanted to buy some Pengu, which is a very new, successful coin, you could do so on this exchange, and they're letting you know that on the front page. You can actually find this on a lot of front pages of many exchanges. So if you are looking at an exchange, definitely go to that page, check out the new listing section, and just see if the coin that you're looking to buy is on there. But most of these exchanges will offer the top 100 coins for you to buy and invest in. But if you are looking for those lower caps or those mid caps, definitely check out all the coins that they offer. Very, very easy to do so. You can just go to the market section on any exchange, check out any of the coins that they have on their list, and then from that point, you can decide whether you want to join the exchange and essentially buy the coin from that point. If you want to check out Binance, the link will be in the description, but that is going to be it for this video. So have a fantastic day. Be sure to drop a like on it, leave me a comment, let me know which exchange you're using, and I will see you in the next video.